Hello YouTube, Newfoundland from Dan's, and this is my new RC Wildfire. It's Nitro, and we've done all the running in procedures. We're just going to go now.
You don't hear it, Danny, with all that noise of the exhaust right next to the phone.
It's got a .15 engine with glow start, and obviously a pull start motor.
That makes sense, Danny.
Exhaust.